So, I'm doing an oil change on the Carrera GT, and I've already made a mess on the floor with it, but I thought I was going to be clever and catch the oil into a small container as it came out and save myself a step, but that didn't work. Anyway, there's two drain plugs in the transmission case. There's one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. The one on the passenger side is actually a gear oil drain. The one on the driver's side is the engine oil drain. You can kind of tell that that's what it is from this common connection in the casting here. You can see where there's casting between the engine and transmission that would allow the oil to flow between the two pieces there. So that's kind of the telltale as to which drain plug is the correct side on the Carrera GT. And then the oil filter is here. You just have to drain that and replace the filter. And then of course refill from the top. That's pretty much it. I mean, aside from pulling the rear diffuser off all the fender liners and panels and stuff that you have to get to go through to get to all of that. Once you get all of that stuff pulled off, it's pretty straightforward.